The blockbuster $68.7 billion deal has finally closed after the company's cleared antitrust hurdles. The biggest acquisition in gaming history and one of the largest in the tech industry is in the books. 21 months after the deal was announced, Microsoft has bought Activision Blizzard for $68.7 billion, the largest acquisition in the company's history. CEO of Microsoft Gaming Phil Spencer has asked Activision CEO Bobby Kotick to stay on until the end of 2023, at which point he'll be leaving the company. It's been a long road filled with plenty of twists and turns to get to this point. The UK's Competition and Markets Authority, CMA, initially blocked the deal in April, though it and the companies agreed to pause Microsoft's appeal to try and resolve the regulators' reservations over the merger's impact on the cloud gaming industry. An appeal tribunal approved a request to delay the proceedings.